Okay, today's lesson you should have attempted the Beyond Horizons issue 40, page 56 on the questions on visual literacy. So very quickly we'll go through the questions. You should have a green pen with you. Okay, question 1. What is the purpose of this poster? So as you can see from the question type, okay, what is the purpose of this poster? This question type is an inferential question because you don't know what you cannot find the answer very clearly from the text itself. You need to sieve out the contextual clues. Okay, so the keyword of the question is purpose. All right, purpose. Okay, so the question type is inferential question. Okay, let me just type that first. This is an inferential question, and the keyword is purpose. So looking at some of the text would be, this is a UM event series. So what does UM event series mean? So it seems to be from University of Michigan. Okay, so this is an event, and it's a kind of talk, okay, from University of Michigan. And what is this talk about? Dissonance, conversation and confluence of technology, policy, privacy, security, and law. So it's about catching fake news. Okay, and this tells me that there's this talk happening on this day and at this place. So this is information poster, right? So for an information poster, it would be to give me information, right? So it is to information. So inform who? Readers. Okay, about what? About the event. What this event about? So you need to be more specific. Okay, on catching fake news. Okay, that will take place in the University of Michigan. Right, so if you were to write that, that will give you 1 mark. Okay, so this for purpose kind of question, you need to tell me what it is to do what. So to inform. Okay, cannot just write people. You say like readers, be more specific about what the event on catching fake news. Okay, that will take place where? In the campus of the University of Michigan. All right, so that's how you do question 1. Okay, let's quickly go to question 2. Okay, in what 2 ways does the poster try to convince that people that this event is a credible one? So what is it asking for? It's asking for what 2 ways? Okay, does the poster try to convince you that this event is, okay, the keyword is a credible one. So this in what 2 ways tells me that this is a kind of factual question. It's asking me for some facts. Okay, and the keyword I said earlier tells me that it's credible. So again, go back to the text and then identify how does this poster try to convince reader that this event is a credible one. So looking very, very closely, event series, dissonance. Okay, does these big words mean anything that tells me that it's credible? No. Okay, how does it tell me that it's credible? Let's continue looking. So I see that the moderator is a professor from Ford School. Okay, then some of the speakers are assistant professor from School of Information, professor EECS, College of Engineering, a professor, School of Information, and we have this Knight Wallace Fellow, Special Projects Editor for Current Affairs at the Swedish Television. Okay, and this place is this event we held at University of Michigan. So, in what two ways? How would I craft the answer? I would tell you what is the first way, right? So, using a transition word like firstly. Okay. The poster, okay, is not poster. The poster, yes, the poster stated that the talk or the event, okay, you should use the word event, okay, because it is the question word, okay, event is endorsed by the University of Michigan. Okay, so that would be my first answer. Okay, what's the second answer? Secondly, okay, you can see that the speakers are all professors, assistant professors. They are experts on this topic. Okay, so the speakers are experts from the university. Now, should it be of Michigan again? I mentioned it earlier. Maybe I should just use it as a noun, not a proper noun. Okay, a proper noun will have capital U, but here I just use it as a common noun, so I just put it as the first one as a lowercase letter U. Okay, experts. So the speakers are experts from the university and professional. Okay, a professional from the media. Okay, or even say from a media professional. That would be even more concise. Okay, so the tip here is you need to examine the text for both visual and textual clues. All right. Next. Okay, the question here is, what is one topic that will be covered by the speakers at the event? So this is a factual question. So the keyword is one topic. Okay, so what are the topics here? So I can see that there's something about a topic that is dissonance. Okay, dissonance means disharmony. Okay, so conversations at the confluence of technology, policy, privacy, security, and law. Should I write that? Actually, it's not specific enough. Okay, so you can see that it's catching fake news. Okay, so I can see that there are words like fake news, lies, falsehood here. So what is one topic that will be covered by the speakers? Now, I would say that, although I don't know why it says that two topics are mentioned in the body of the text. I can only identify one. So I would say the topic that will be covered is how to catch fake news. Okay, very clear. Okay, how to catch fake news. Okay, so dissonance also say like disharmony. Okay, disharmony. So if you want to craft it as how difficult it is to catch fake news, I would accept the answer as well. Okay, so this is 1 mark. The last question. Refer to the main headline of the poster, Catching Fake News. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. How is this headline supported by the picture on the right? So what's the picture on the right? Is it, this is the picture on the right. Okay, So catching. Okay, so this catching, what is it linked to? Is it linked to this bubble, speech bubbles? Is it linked to the loudspeaker? Is it linked to the hands holding the loudspeaker? No, no. Okay, so catching, I think, is linked to this particular visual of a butterfly net. Okay, so I will talk about the picture. Okay, I'll talk about the picture. Okay, so I'll draw the link between the net and the idea of catching. So, what is the picture? You need to say explicitly what's the picture. The picture shows a butterfly net, okay, and the various types of fake news So if you want to put comma lies, comma falsehood, okay, that it is catching. Okay, so actually it's not that difficult to do this type of question because how to actually do it? First, you need to identify what is the picture. Say explicitly, okay, what is this visual element? So the visual element is the butterfly net. You need to match that, okay? And then what's the text here? So the various type of fake news, which is the forgot the lies there, the lies, fake news, falsehood that it is catching. So the connection here it would be the picture shows this, okay, and that is catching that, okay. So picture shows a butterfly net, okay, and it's catching that. So that's how you do this particular visual text.